I'm about to do a BBL on Jen's face, a application to put the ultrasound. I'm going to use the Jade Applicator. This actually has helped heal the face or any other body parts much faster, especially on a clean face. This is amazing. I have noticed the healing time is, honestly, truthfully, about 60% faster using the Jade Applicator. And what I love about it too, it gets in between all the little places that it's very hard. The nose area, ears. And I've actually saved money on buying ultrasound gel using the Jade Applicator. Okay, now I'm going to do the treatment. Normally, I would have to apply more of the ultrasound gel, but using that Jade Applicator, everything is on so evenly that I don't have to. Come on, it's a love-hate relationship. Come on. So I love the Jade Applicator, and I love to spray product onto the skin with the oxygenator as a spray. The two of these are, the most amazing products I've ever used.